Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got VIVO Y17 and let me share with you how to change the date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find the more settings. Now let's localize the date and time. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are inactive, and it is because we are using this automatic option. So let's turn it off just by tapping on the switcher, and now we can freely tap on date and just by swiping change it to the one you'd like to apply, confirm it with OK. The same situation with the time, just by swiping and tap on OK. We can select the time zone also, just scroll and find yours and tap on it. Let me pick this one. And as you can see, it will be immediately applied. Here you can decide whether you want to use a 24-hour format like now or 12-hour one just by tapping on the switcher to turn off this option. It's up to you. If you want to, you can go back to all automatic settings just by tapping on the switcher at the top. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.